What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Chop here, and today we got Miami football back on the channel. You know, I've been skipping up a couple weeks. I seen they lost the other week to Georgia Tech. We barely beat Georgia Tech. They're a good team, so that's a respectable loss. I can say. Apparently exciting game. Wheels has brought us some highlights. Let's get into this, man. Let's get into this. At Syracuse, what is that? New York? I don't know. I don't really know my geography. You got Cam Ward, Heisman. Hopeful. Probably won't win it. That dude's limping down the field. You see that? Wow. Those are dot to number 3. Syracuse always has these weird camera angles for their football games. I don't know why they do this. It's not like I can see anything. Can't see down the field. I don't know. It doesn't make sense, man. They're 8-3 though. 4-3 in conference. I know they got Jackson Meeks. He went to Georgia like last year. He's like cold there. That was up a fade. That looked like PI to me. Yep. The true freshman Davian Kerr got handsy with Restrepo, and it looks like defensive pass interference. You got experience? Yeah, otherwise, other than Jackson Meeks, I don't know anybody on this team. ACC people. Yeah. Inside the 5 with Ward under center. It's Fletcher with a flag down, and Fletcher pushes up. That was offsides anyway. Touchdown. Yeah, Miami should handle this, bro. Go to the ACC championship game with the win, which I should expect them to do. You know, they have a lot of close games, but they still win. So one day they might bite them in the butt again, like they did against Georgia Tech. How about that loss in Columbus today? McCord connects with a power drive to the ground. Damn. Try to walk over him, man. Stop doing that, man. Come on. Drop back and bring 4, and Trevor Pena's got the first down up the Number 2. First down. The slippery 5th-year senior has been breaking records here at Syracuse. Number 2 again. Who is this guy? He's kind of fast. Okay. Pena?
When you shop at Burlington for the holidays, this is what you really get. Burlington is the heart of the holidays. You'll love the deals.
Wheels, bro. Come on, man. Stop with the ads. I fuck with you, Wheels, but... Oh, shit. No points. Damn. 4th down. Oh, he can't hold on to the ball. I guess, man. Is that Jackson? That's literally him. Wow. Miami should handle business here, bro. That's what I'm saying, yeah, man. Get upfield. Jukes him out the way. Hold on to that ball. Good shit. I'm liking what I'm seeing, man. I'm liking what I'm seeing. Get him. Oh, he's gone. Why'd I say get him? What's his 40 time? I wonder what it is. Restrepo, I know this guy. He's cold. Isn't he like leading their team in touchdowns and receptions? I think. An all-time better than Michael Irvin. Crazy. He's up there with some crazy names. Now they're up 2 touchdowns. Should be. How didn't he score?
After further review, the ball carrier was not out of bounds. It was a touchdown.
So it is a touchdown for Xavier Restrepo with a shrug.
What was that guy's haircut? Did you see that? And they got the ball back again, bro. It's not even in the first quarter. How is this an exciting game? Yeah, bro.
Tripped up right near midfield by Devin Grant, but not before 40. That's why he's been one of the best quarterbacks in college football. Ward's going right back to the air with all
bombing it down the middle. This camera work needs work, bro. This guy's like lagging the camera behind. Good shit though. The run. Yeah, he's going upfield, man. He's gone. Damn, he's busting. Damn, they're almost to the 5. How's this an exciting game, man? This game's over. They're up 21-0. They're up 21. This game is over.
Just watch the distribution of the routes. And Arroyo gets hit lost right there, and no one picks him up. There's Miami right now with one of those buys at the moment.
He's slinging it. Ooh. Connects to midfield for Justice Ross Simmons.
This offense has been out of sync. Maybe take a shot at some point.
Damn, defender fell down. That is embarrassing. D1 prospect falling over. No balance. Miami with the blitz. Looked him straight in his face and threw that ball. Pina? I've never heard of this guy, bro. Pena. I don't know.
Second down and goal. Pena's the motion man. It's a give to Allen.
Ooh, that was nice. With the spin move. The hell is he doing?
Stayed on his feet for 6.
The hell was that? Good balance. Jesus, it's nice. Yeah, they get the ball back. Don't tell me they came back after this, man. That's embarrassing.
It's a give to LeQuint.
What just happened?
He rumbles up the middle for a first down, wrapped up by O.J. Frederick.
Bombing it. Oh, sidearm slinging it, but no. 4th down. Never mind, man. Miami, bro, what is going on? Clean this play up. Sloppy. Oh, shit. He got stuffed up there. Still got it, though. Syracuse, they're not even ranked, bro. Who did they lose to? 8 wins is still good, though. Who's this running back? Feels kind of tough. Is that Jackson? Yeah, bro. This is Jackson Meeks is cold as fuck, man. Toasting up the Miami corners. Dude just falls down. What happened? Yeah, he tried to like bait him. He didn't even touch him, man. Come on. And they get the ball again. What is going on? It's just launching it down the field. Don't tell me this dude Pena again. Pena. Stiff arming. He tries to oh my suplex down. Still gets the first down. Who is this guy? And it was a holding call. Okay.
From the 25, McCord.
Dude, he's launching it to him again. Who is this guy? Oh my God, that catch is nasty. Who is this? His name doesn't even show up on the Trevor? Oh my goodness. Trebor. Who the fuck is that? My first time hearing about that dude. Maybe I just gotta start watching other fucking conferences other than the SEC, man. But back at it, 2nd and 7. Cam Ward scrambling up in the pocket, stripping everyone. He's gone, man. Oh my goodness, this guy. He just runs like it's not that much speed. He's just tall and elusive a little bit. Speaking of elusive. Busting up the middle for 6. Nice. Nice run. They haven't scored in like 2 quarters, though, so. Is that cause for concern? I think so. But they're just going back and forth, trading scores. Jackson Meeks with the catch, man. This guy's nice.
Battling one-on-one with Damari Brown just back from injury.
Told you, man, he's nice. Oh my goodness, who is that running back, bro? This dude is crazy. That dude is crazy. Go back. Rewind that, man. That is insane. Off the catch. Hurdle. Dudes, oh my. Hanging on his waist. That's kind of insane. That's the running back. Jackson Meeks with another touchdown. This guy's different, man.
Syracuse responds.
What is that celebration?
Remember earlier, there was a deep ball. I mean, there was a ball that was thrown up a fade route, trying to get to Kyle McCord.
And they got the ball back. Back and forth action, man. Love to see it. Miami's defense is so trash, man. I've been looking at this shit all season, bro. Everyone can run on them. Everyone can pass on them. They suck. Are they even gonna make the playoffs if they lose this? Damn, that dude's fighting for yards. Oh, he fumbled. Oh shit.
Who's got it? Miami insists it has it, and the Canes do. Here in Syracuse.
Yeah, yes, he did fumble. Damn, stop with the ads, Wheels. Come on, man.
It should be on the not
I love you, my boy, but no more ads, man. Stop it. Damn, number 6. Cut outside. He tried. Oh, he's still up. Damn. Got Michael Irvin's old ass on the sideline.
Sudden change, and the Canes have life.
Damn, the dude's hurt.
That's where they're going. On a screen, Xavier Restrepo.
Damn, he fumbled.
Devin Grant's off to the races.
That's what I mean. Cam Ward doesn't have speed. No hawk down speed at all. He's too slow. Damn, he fumbled. That's crazy. Scoop and score. Did that count? Punches that ball out. That's what they need to teach us in football, bro. That is perfect. Georgia needs to start doing that shit, bro. Punching that ball out when that shit's exposed, man. Get so many turnovers. We need turnovers, bro. The defense needs to turn that ball over. Yeah, man, that's a touchdown. Now they got momentum. That was their down. First down there. Now they got momentum, bro. It's 3rd and 7. Tip ball. But the ball got tipped, so I thought once the ball gets tipped, it's not PI. Unless it was called before. Restrepo gets free down the sideline. Okay. Back and forth.
42 yards on the catch and run.
Ruling on the field is that the ball carrier was out of bounds at the 2-yard line. First down, Miami.
Oh, he might be out.
2 tight ends for Miami.
Yep.
Martinez straight up the middle.
Surges forward. Okay. Tie again. They made the extra point.
One way or another, the
Miami's not looking so good, bro. All their games are so close. If they can't blow anybody out, man, they're not going to make it in the playoffs for sure. For sure, for sure. It's kind of embarrassing. I'm not going to lie. Dude, that's their running back coming out the backfield with catching passes, hurdling people. Who is that guy? Yeah, just feed Jackson Meeks, bro. Literally just feed Jackson. Oh my god, man. Don't tell me you got another one. PI, bro. Damn, man. This scary hours.
Syracuse leads again.
Touchdown, man. Damn. Miami, don't go outside, man. Another upset, bro, after fucking Michigan. Ohio State, don't tell me. Top 5, top 10. Losing to unranked. Bullying forward, though. Okay.
Isaiah Horton is the downfield threat. Ward looks opposite and on an out pattern. Jacoby George again. To the 35, shoved out of bounds by Devin Grant after 18. Smarts.
I thought they were gonna call a flag on that. That dude just came sprinting off the line. Still completed the pass.
For a first down to the 21. The Canes need 7.
5 minutes left. Just heaves it. That shit had to be PI. Oh my god.
Who had the coverage on Xavier Restrepo.
Pass interference. Defense number 23. Ball be placed at the spot of the foul. Automatic first down.
He kind of sold it.
From the 15, pressure comes.
Are you gonna get a sack? Oh no.
And Wax drags him down. Been excellent throughout
4th and goal. They're still down, man. They should have went for it. Honestly, there's 3 minutes left. You gotta stop him. Who is this guy, bro? Oh my God, two hurdles, and he's talking shit, and they feed him again, and he's fucking. He can't be stopped. He will not be denied. Oh my God, who is this guy? I need to start watching Syracuse. Oh my God, he just fucking. Oh my. Miami just fell apart.
Coach Fran Brown took over here for Dino Babers. They're looking for a huge win. Trevor Pena turns,
and they got this dude, bro. First down, the game's over.
First down, Syracuse. Trevor Pena for the Orange
At Syracuse.
A stunner at Syracuse. The Orange come from 21 down and take down Miami.
You cannot make this up, man. Miami loses to Georgia Tech and Syracuse, and their ACC title hopes are gone. Just like that. Are you serious, Miami? You'll never be shit. You'll never. The U is not back, bro. That is fucking sad, man. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Excuse me, man. Peace. Fuck.